Hello, everyone. Nice to have you all here. Great startups. Who arrived with an airplane to Amsterdam? Hands up. Who arrived with a car? Hands up. Who arrived with a train? I think we have all one in common. We would have loved to arrive earlier, faster, and CO2 neutral. And this is what we're building. So Vinny in a cube is fast, affordable, and clean today and in the future. Spoiler, there's a few nice informations coming at the end. I'm very proud that we have built a great team of experts who have seen this industry from smoking in an airplane up to trying to find an electric airplane that can fly in the skies. Very proud of that team. And what we are today, we were thinking a long time, we were talking about that, what's first, chicken or egg? So we decided we'll give the chicken a name, that is Vinny, it's a bird. And we were successfully flying this year already as the first real AAM operator. So we are the missing puzzle piece to an industry, and we've seen that needs data, that needs to understand where do I put my technology into the markets in the future, how do I fly my future aircraft in the future, and how do I make money? At the end, we will be the ones giving those operators money because we will be paying the flight tickets. So we're about to deploy, after we learned a lot, a total new solution to aerospace tech. We're not a classical airline. We're an AI-powered aviation platform that is operating with operators all around the world. What we have done is we have trained our AI. The AI is training today. We have a full dashboard and a full new logic on how we bring flights in the future to customers. And due to the complexity of the work and due to the on-demand and flexibility of the network that we're offering, we're not here to compete with Lufthansa, we're not here to compete with KLM. They do a hell of a great job. But decentral travel is not good today, and it will be worse in the future. So AI is looking after us, it's constantly generating our bookings, and we're solving the complexity through our aviation tech platform. We have the first AI that is predicting, that is looking after demand, that is matching requests from passengers with our capacity, like this, utilizing and being much more efficient than any other tool in the market in the future. We have learned a scheduled flight will not work in the future if we really want to be dynamic on all of the technology that we have. Last year, we were thinking about that. We were talking about fulfillment and product algorithms. Today, we're talking about reality. This is the demand match that we have discovered. We had more than 60,000 flight requests. Unfortunately, we're not there yet. We're extending the fleet next year. And we have the platform ready, but we're more than that. We're also an operating system in the future, because we saw what we can do is we can automatically generate flight plans, crew planning, maintenance planning, that is lowering costs. And if you only have 9, 12 seats, you need to be very efficient on the cost side. So first operator said, thank you, please give us that software, please help us make this system grow in the future. Early wins, we're very proud and thankful to our investor family office, MERS, who is looking for partners in the future to now go into the next phase of scalability to our product. Our bookings for next year are open. We welcome everybody on board to go into our next test phase, and we're about to disclose how the network will grow in the future next year constantly as well. And since we have an on-demand platform that will help us lower CO2 emissions, we thought the best match, and as a mentor to the Startup Lab as well, it's my diligence to support great startups as well. That's the first one we're announcing today. Very proud of this Swiss team that will also help us today, without the great airplanes of the future, to reduce CO2 emissions in the future. So if you want to travel faster, and with the words of my father, the most beautiful way to travel is by air, then you will be booking Vinny, then you will be flying with Vinny, and I will welcome you all on board. Thank you very much.